Church of San Jacinto. Ang ganda. Yan, pansit patil pato. Hello mga senior. We are now here in Tuguegarao after taking the 12-hour sleeper bus from Manila to Tuguegarao. So we are now ready to explore the city of Tuguegarao. We're going to visit the museum, the cathedral, and of course we are going to try the very famous Pansit Batil Patong and many other attractions of Tuguegarao. So join me as we explore Tuguegarao. Let's go! We are now entering NLEX River. So, we took this bus. After 12 hours, we are here already at Tuguegarao, in Tuguegarao, and the first order of the day is to eat Pansit Batil Patong for breakfast, di ba? So we're going to look for a nice eatery where we can find Batil Patong. So ito yung mga kasama ko mag-explore, mga senior explorer. So we're going to explore Tuguegarao. So they're going to build a new rotonda, an old rotonda with sill installation in the middle. A new rotonda. Airport Pansiteria. Pansit Batil Patong. Subukan natin. Batil Patong. So, let's eat Pansit Batil Patong. So we are staying here at J Prime Apartel dito sa may Gonzaga Street sa may Tuguegarao. Very nice and clean room. Yung three single beds we got for 1,600 sa agad. Dito sa Tuguegarao walang jeep. So lahat tricycle and you have to negotiate with the pricing, although sabi 20 pesos pero pag sakay mo kailangan mo makapagtawaran. Meat 90 pesos. Dalawang meat ang in-order natin. And then only rice. Ikaw ang kukuha na rice. Hindi pala oh. Right in front is the Church of San Jacinto. Ang ganda. San Jacinto de Polonia. Tuguegarao. We are here already at Rizal Park, one of the oldest monuments in Rizal. Next is the Cagayan Museum. residential municipal school. Now Tuguegarao East Central School. The Tuguegarao Cathedral. The St. Peter Metropolitan Cathedral, Tuguegarao. Or Kabagan, baka meron.
Nasa ka tayo mag-ano?
Oo. Patil Patong. Found this place is called Jomar Patil Patong. So, maraming kumakain local, so siguro masarap.
Ano lang yan?
Ito ba ay in-order namin?
Ay, huwag naman na. Kami na mag-ayos.
Ano pa, iba-vlog pa. Hindi. Yan. Kasi ibaba mo isa. Hindi, sige, okay na, sige. Thank you. Yan, pancit Patil Patong.
Ano is Patong spelling you?
So yun nga. Babalatan natin ang parang napakalaki at napakasarap na authentic pancit Patil Patong dito sa Garaw. Dito doon tayo sa Jomar's. Malapit lang sa may simbahan. At nakita ko, ang laki ng ano, may liempo, may pusit, may lumpiang Shanghai, may atay at lahat ng halo na pwedeng inahalo. So this is only 150 pesos. This is super special. So tignan natin ang super special. Hinahalo pala ito ng sibuyas, kalamansi at may sabaw siya. Meron pa rin supang iloko. So go. So, unang tigil. Ito na eh. Nasa hindi tinipid.
Tayo na wala. Ito nga yung kanina.
Alam mo, piling ko, mas siyang lahat isang pad thai. Because of the bean sprout. This is the Tuguegarao at 6:11 in the evening. So this is the main market, and then there's a Jollibee in front. Pwede rin kayong mag-iho-ihaw. Yan, sarap. And here there are several local stores wherein you can buy some delicious kakanin. Yan. There's Jollibee. Market. Tuguegarao at night. So fresh meat market. They said there are about 15,000 tricycles in Tuguegarao. Imagine that. They phased out the jeepney a few years ago, and now if you want to go around, you have to rent these tricycles. Although there are fixed rates, but you have to still have to negotiate, because normally the fixed rate is it's for full passenger. If only one, you may have to pay the full fare, which is 20 pesos times 5, 100 pesos. Hello mga ka-senior, we just got back from our lodging house hotel here in Tuguegarao, and we took a shower, rested, and I just guess I have to end my Tuguegarao vlog here. We're very happy to finally come back here in Tuguegarao. We actually took a sleeper bus from Manila to Tuguegarao, which took us 12 hours to get here. And as soon as we got here, we started exploring Tuguegarao. We had a breakfast at one of the local carinderia, we ordered pancit batil batang, but it wasn't the pancit batil batang that we wanted. So I didn't like that they put hot dog on that. So after that, we check in at our hotel. This is J Prime Hotel, J Prime Apartel, located here at Gonzaga Street. It's a good hotel because we got this for 1,600, good for 3 people. After that, we started exploring Tuguegarao. We saw several old churches, not only the Cathedral of Tuguegarao. So as we were walking around, we saw these churches, the one in front of St. Paul and another one at least 300-year-old. And then finally, we visited the National Museum of Tuguegarao. One of the highlight of the museum tour is that we were able to see fossilized elephants and rhinoceros, which seems to have been roaming in this area millions of years ago. Also, we also saw the replica of the bones of the Homo luzonensis, which or the Calao man, which was recently discovered in Calao Cave. We also saw exhibit on the churches and heritage places here in Cagayan Valley. After that, we visit the St. James or Cathedral, Metropolitan Cathedral in Tuguegarao. I'm very happy to see how beautiful the cathedral is. We were able to go inside. We were able to see the red bricks and many more. After that, we went around Rizal Park, and then finally we were able to get one of the best pancit batil patong. It's actually named Jomar, I think. And for 150 super special, we got pancit batil patong with fried lechon, with squid, with lumpiang Shanghai, liver, and many more. So I'm very happy that I ended my day with the best pancit here in Tuguegarao. We'll be going back to Manila tomorrow, and so this is our final video here in Tuguegarao. So I'd like to thank you very much for watching this vlog, for joining us in touring Tuguegarao. So travel while you can. Until our next vlog, see you soon.